R410a mini-split systems require precise refrigerant management. These systems are critically charged, meaning even small variations in refrigerant levels can dramatically impact performance. R410A is a near azeotropic blend consisting of R32 and R125 refrigerants. This blend composition is critical to understand because it must always be charged as a liquid to prevent fractionation. R410A operates at significantly higher pressures than older refrigerants. Typical operating pressures range from 118 to 138 psi on the low side and 350 to 430 psi on the high side under standard conditions. As of 2024, EPA Section 608 compliance requires certified technicians for all R410A work. This includes strict enforcement of handling regulations and enhanced recovery standards with zero tolerance for intentional venting. There are three primary methods for charging R410A systems. The weigh-in method is most accurate, using manufacturer specifications and electronic scales. The superheat method targets 8 to 12 degrees Fahrenheit, while the subcooling method targets 5 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety is paramount when working with R410A. Always charge as liquid only to prevent fractionation. Be aware that R410A operates at 60% higher pressures than older refrigerants. Use only equipment rated for 800 psi or higher working pressure. Understanding these fundamentals is essential for proper R410A mini-split service. The combination of critical charging requirements, regulatory compliance, and safety protocols ensures reliable system operation and technician safety. Before adding R410A refrigerant to any mini-split system, you must be EPA 608 certified. This certification is legally required for all refrigerant handling work and ensures you understand proper safety protocols. Always inspect the system for leaks before adding refrigerant. Use an electronic leak detector to check all connections, joints, and fittings. Adding refrigerant to a leaking system wastes money and harms the environment. Before adding refrigerant, the system must be properly evacuated to remove moisture and air. Use a vacuum pump to achieve 500 microns or below. This critical step prevents contamination that can damage the compressor. Use the weigh-in method whenever possible. This is the most accurate charging technique for mini-split systems. Place the refrigerant cylinder on an electronic scale and add the exact amount specified by the manufacturer. R410A must always be charged as a liquid, never as vapor. This prevents blend fractionation, where the refrigerant components separate and cause poor system performance. Turn the cylinder upside down or use the liquid port. Avoid these common charging errors that can damage your system. Overcharging causes dangerously high pressures that can destroy the compressor. Vapor charging leads to blend separation. Poor evacuation introduces moisture that causes acid formation. Industry data shows that proper refrigerant charging is critical for system performance. 35% of mini-split service calls involve refrigerant issues, and 60% of low refrigerant problems stem from poor installation. Correct charging can improve efficiency by 15 to 25%. R410A is being phased down under the AIM Act, with production reduced by 40% starting in 2025. This makes proper servicing of existing systems even more important, as replacement refrigerant will become more expensive and harder to obtain. Always document your service work. Record the amount of refrigerant added, system pressures, and any repairs made. This documentation is essential for warranty claims and helps future technicians understand the system's service history.